Hi, I'm currently still in Melbourne. In today's video, I'm gonna head out of Melbourne to the Dandenong Ranges for the whole day. So I'm heading towards the Southern Cross Station now to take the train. This is how it works. Actually, it goes by alphabetical order to Lilydale 8:08, 27 minutes. So it is 808 Lilydale.
Staying clear and change that through the street.
So I need to change a corridor. So I just arrived at Croydon and I'm gonna get a bus from here to the Dandenong Valley. Okay, this is how it works. So I'm now in Croydon. I just walked down the main street. I'm trying to find the bus stop. If I miss this bus, I have to wait for another 45 minutes. I finally got the bus to Olinda. Thank you. This is the Dandenong Ranges Valley. It's a small village. Oh, this is a big tree. They say nothing to do much around here, so I think I'll just do some walking. Giant tall trees around. I just climbed up from a dirt track and back on the main road. Even have a Thai restaurant and Indian restaurant. So this is basically Mt Dandenong village. The Olinda village is 1 kilometer away. Okay, got one bus at 11:01. I thought I missed the bus, but I managed to get the bus. So just now I took a bus from Olinda to Belgrave, and from Belgrave all the way here to Gembrook. Just walk around the town first. Harry Dog Cafe. Fish and chips. COB. Then this is the Gembrook railway station. Normally on certain days the Puffy Billy will reach here. Puffy Billy is a train, the steam train. It's nice to come to a station where there's nobody. It's the old style luggage way. One good thing about Australia is that most of the public toilets are free, and there are plenty of public toilets around. The nice public toilet here is in the middle of the park. Okay, I will show you how to use this. Very easy. Touch to open the door.
Please press button to close and lock door. Your maximum use time is 10 minutes. Press button to unlock door.
They even have music. You have to touch button to obtain tissue. It's a soap, water, hydrate. Fresh everything. So that's it. Very nice. Oh my god. It's like in the science fiction movie. So I just spoke to a bus driver. So between here, Gembrook and Belgrave, there's another nice place to stop, which is called Emerald. I just got off from the Emerald village. There are almost buses every half an hour, so I don't have to worry. Nice little town. Cheers. It's a very nice place. It's like walking around. Heading to a bus stop now. On the bus to Belgrave now. I just got off from Belgrave, the final stop for the day. This is not coffee, this is beer and wine. I quite like all these small towns and villages. It's closed now. So this is the first stop of the Puffy Billy. I just have a look. Next friend, not going. So I'm heading towards to Belgrave Town Centre. Lots of cafe around. Fish and chips again. Puffy Billy Cafe. I think soon, so I try to see the next bakery. Belgrave Bakery. Oh, it's not open. Just need coffee and cake. I've just ordered apple crumble 650 and latte. I've just finished the cake and coffee, and now I'm heading back to Melbourne. The train is leaving in 14 minutes. Taking this train all the way back to Flinders Street. That's all for me signing off from Belgrave Station.